Hello, everyone. This is Komal Kashyap, and it is great to be back again with another super fantastic episode of the Inside Story. स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे शो पे। सबसे पहले आप सभी को दिल से थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव एंड कंटिन्यूअस सपोर्ट। बात करते हैं आज के गेस्ट के बारे में। मैं आपको बता दूं, टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी आर्टिस्टिक गेस्ट ऑन आवर शो. She can not only beautify anyone with her magical hand, but can also bring a happy and confident smile to anyone's face. She is a pro with a beautiful heart. Let me welcome no one less but Aditi Dubey Bhatt. Welcome to our show.
Hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much, Komal. Thank you. Thank
Hi,
you for having
Aditi.
me.
Okay, so before going further, let me give you a quick introduction of Aditi. Aditi is an accomplished and versatile person in many fields, a brilliant makeup artist, hot model Mrs. India Worldwide 2020 finalist, certified yoga instructor, influencer, and beauty blogger. Wow, it's really inspiring to be sharing this space with her. So, guys, if you'd like to know more about being the profession of makeup artist and how you can simply start your career using social media, do watch this episode till the end. Aditi is going to share all the tips and techniques with us today. So, just relax, put on your headphones, and let's get into it. So, starting with the questions, Aditi, tell us about your background. आप कहाँ से हो and a little about your family.
Hi, so first of all, thank you so much for the introduction, Komal. And I am actually from Bhopal. Like, I'm brought up in Bhopal,
Mhm.
but at a very, very young age, that is when I was 18, I started flying for a renowned airline. So right after my schooling, just for the fun sake, I would say honestly, I gave the interview for Jet Airways and I got through. So ever since then, I'm in Delhi now. So it's been almost like more than 12 years. Then I got married and I settled over there. So yes, I'm from MP, brought up over here. But then
Hmm.
now because I am in Delhi, so I call myself a Delhiite only. So
Okay.
yes, I started my career as a cabin crew, and now, like you said, that I'm into a lot many things.
Yes. So I believe you have started your career with the airline industry. So and
Yes,
you continued it for 10 years. So मतलब
yes,
ये
more than
change
that,
कैसे?
yeah.
हाँ. So where you got interested in that, or you got some good opportunity in airline industry?
So yes, when I started that time, it was like we had very few airlines, and it used to be a big deal to be a part of an airline, especially
Hmm.
coming from a small town. I would say
Hmm.
it was like a huge achievement for me
Yes.
that
Yes.
at such young stage I have got through it, and now I'm making money, I'm seeing the world, and I was just having a gala time. But then obviously after
Yes.
some time everything becomes very monotonous. So I'm always very keen to learn something new. And of course, being a part of aviation and being a part of airline, it is always important to be like well groomed and to know some makeup skills,
Yes.
and you should know how
Definitely.
to talk, you should know how to
Hmm.
use your body language, how you're portraying yourself. So all
Right.
these things, yes, when it came together, also started training few people. When I was a part of aviation, I started conducting training for newbies, for newcomers, and from there I got this interest. I like, as a little girl, I've always had interest in makeup. I think we all have. um
Okay. Okay.
but
आई वॉज
then
आस्किंग कि आपने शायद 12th के बाद जस्ट एयरलाइन कनेक्ट कर लिया. सो एयरलाइन में जाने का क्या रीजन था? जस्ट फॉर अ जॉब और जस्ट अ गुड
No, I
अपॉर्चुनिटी got?
I always I always wanted to. I don't know, from ever since I was like very young, I always used to say that I want to be an air hostess. So after 12th, I, like I'm saying, I just gave it for the fun sake. I just wanted to see that how my interview goes, and what are the things that they ask, so that I kind of prepare myself. But then in one shot only I got through, and I was like, what, it's a good. And thankfully my
Hmm.
parents also supported me. They also didn't say that no, no, finish your studies first. They were like, okay, as long as you can take care of your studies with your job,
Hmm.
go ahead and do it. So I
So
think I was very passionate about it.
hmm. So interest that you said, like your interest got just like that कि आपको बहुत interest मतलब खुद को बहुत प्रोफेशनल तरीके से रखना पड़ता है एज अ एयर hostess. So that made you to do the makeup artist.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
right.
okay.
Yeah.
So, how you choose to this as a career?
Yeah. Which one you're talking about?
I'm talking about the makeup artist.
Okay, it's see, honestly, it's a beautiful job, but then
Huh.
again, you have to have a passion, you know, you should
Right,
have that
right.
artistry in your hand. Right now, yes, I see that we have a lot of makeup artists and a lot of girls are influenced because obviously, you know, the job is such, like I said, that as a little girl, I think we all have this interest for makeup, beauty, fashion,
Yes,
styling, and
yes.
things like that. And if you take social media today, social media really, you know, makes you feel like a celebrity. Everyone has got that
Hmm.
public figure thing in their bio these days.
Definitely, yeah.
So yeah, it is really an amazing job, but then it comes with a lot of pros and cons, definitely. So firstly, you have to have that passion for your work, for your job, and secondly, you have to have a lot of patience also. You should
Okay,
know how
so
to handle clients, you should know how to
hmm,
deal with them.
hmm. So, कितने साल हो गए आपको मेकअप इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए?
It's been 4 years now. I've done
Okay.
n number of brides. Like I'm my expertise are like in bridal makeup. So
Uh-huh.
I have done so many brides.
Okay, so
Mhm.
Aditi, now you have established yourself as an on-demand makeup artist. So, how was it when you started this as a career choice? How you grow up your customer base?
Okay, so when I started, I never had, I've never had imagined myself coming to such a level because when I started, I was already a part of aviation. So during
Okay.
that time, I didn't have this thing in mind that, oh, I have to establish myself and I have to make money because I've already had a
Hmm.
source of income, maybe. So I was very
Okay.
relaxed. I was just doing it
Yeah,
for
you
fun.
took it as a passion and just a
Yes,
hobby.
yes.
Yeah.
As a hobby, and because I've had that interest, you know, having
Yeah.
said that, बहुत easy नहीं था मेरे लिए because like I said कि I was already a part of aviation that time. So मैं flight से आती थी, different countries से आने के बाद I used to be jet lagged, I used to be tired, but still I used to go and do
Hmm.
my clients. So it wasn't
Okay.
easy, yeah. But
Hmm. Definitely.
definitely I've created that platform for myself and I was
Hmm.
enjoying doing that. तो मुझे इतना honestly मुझे इतना difficult लगता भी physically challenging था, but because I was enjoying,
Hmm.
2 years I continued like that, and then when I realized कि no, I'm actually getting a good, you know, good client base and also good work, good business, then I thought of leaving airline.
Okay. So Aditi, how did you learn about applying makeup? Have you undergone some formal training or you just self-learned it?
Okay, so like I said, because I was a part of airline, so over there we get some basic trainings. So I learned some few things from there. Obviously, that enhanced my skills.
Yeah.
But honestly, I have not done a proper training. Like these days, we have so many makeup schools and things
Yes.
like that.
Hmm.
And I am also a makeup teacher now. I'm a makeup educator too. So I conduct a lot of online classes after pandemic and lockdown and physical classes also.
Hmm.
But that is why I'm saying that you have to have passion, you know. So if you really are passionate about something, then you don't have to learn. However, because I was flying, so from London School of Makeup, जैसे मैं गई, अब मुझे पता है कि आज मैं लंदन में हूँ more
हाँ.
than 24 hours. So I thought कि okay, चलो ठीक है, सीख लेते हैं. So एक दो
Hmm.
international artists से I have done master classes. So like a
Master
one
classes.
day, yes, one day master
Hmm.
class. And but I'm not properly, like, you know, I've not done a proper 1 month or 2 month or 15 days training.
Okay, okay, that's so wonderful. Like खुद से सीखना आजकल लोग सीख नहीं पाते, classes लेके भी नहीं सीख पाते.
Classes लेके भी नहीं सीख पाते हैं.
That's
Absolutely right.
great.
Yeah.
So when did you start created your social media profile on Instagram?
So my social media profile is quite old. I would say it's
Hmm.
been almost 4 or 5 years
Okay.
that I started. But I think I started connecting with people from last 2 years when I actually, because you have to be like really, you know,
Hmm.
consistent when it
Consistent,
comes to
yeah.
your social media. So
Hmm.
I started connecting last 2 years, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Instagram के अलावे और किस प्रोफाइल पे हो सोशल मीडिया के?
So I am also on YouTube. By the way, I started with YouTube because
Okay.
a lot of people used to tell me that, oh, you have done this thing really nicely. So why don't you teach us? So that
Hmm.
time, YouTube was the only thing which was like booming everywhere.
Yes, yes,
And I
yes.
thought that it is a very good platform to, to teach
Even
and to
right
share
now.
your knowledge. Yes,
Hmm.
even right now. So I
Hmm.
started from there. I have like good following, although I'm not that, I'm not that, I would say, consistent on YouTube, because to
Hmm.
be everywhere is very difficult. Sometimes it gets difficult, but however, if sometimes, I feel like that, no, this is the kind of content which I should put on YouTube, I do that also. So
Hmm.
I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook. My Facebook has also like really blown up after lockdown and pandemic, because I was
Okay.
like really, really consistent during lockdown. So
Hmm.
I was putting a lot of stuff over there, and I feel that, Facebook pe thoda sa viral hona is zyada easy. I
Yes,
don't know, or
yes,
maybe it's my experience.
yes, yes,
So Facebook, yes, I have almost like I'm going to hit 500K following over there, which I think is a very huge number.
yes,
And I've never
definitely.
paid attention on my Facebook, it just happened. जो भी Insta
Okay.
पे जाता था वो, because both the
Facebook पे
accounts are
डाल.
linked, yes.
हाँ,
So I was like, oh wow, that's really, मतलब
that's a
बहुत
good.
ज़्यादा efforts नहीं डाले मैंने,
Uh,
and yeah, it grew like that, and of course Instagram.
do you plan the content for social media or you just go with the flow?
Honestly, Komal, it really depends. Sometimes I do plan. जैसे
हाँ.
लॉकडाउन में हमारे पास था टाइम, so I used to plan
Hmm.
things. But
Okay.
now, because like I said, I'm a bridal makeup, and I also
Hmm.
conduct a lot of trainings and a lot of classes and all. So
Hmm.
कई बार होता है कि आप सोशल मीडिया के लिए इतना प्लान नहीं कर पाते, जो भी आपका चल रहा है डेली उसमें
Hmm.
आप वही डालते रहते हो. So it's a mix of both the things. So sometimes I plan also when I know that this is the kind of content which is really different and I should post it on my social media, then I plan it accordingly. But otherwise, I just go with the flow. I'm a kind of person who listen to my heart more than anything else.
That's so
So
good.
अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ये चीज डालनी चाहिए और लोगों को पसंद आएगी, so then I do. And I also listen to my followers. I think my followers also
Okay.
play a very important role. कई
Exactly.
बार वो
Yeah.
बहुत शेयर करते हैं कि why don't you do this, तो वहां से भी मैं अपने बहुत सारे आइडियाज पिक करती
Content
हूँ.
list here. Okay.
Yeah. So
That's
I'm
so
really thankful कि that
good.
ways I have a good connection with my followers, and they feel free to approach me and tell me. तो देन आई सी कि अच्छा कौन सी रिक्वेस्ट है जो बहुत ज्यादा है, जो मे बी लोग रियली देखना चाहते हैं, सो आई
That
डू
actually build the connection between you and
वेरी
the
इंपॉर्टेंट.
audience.
Yes,
Yeah. So do you do
that's
it
very
by
important.
yourself or you have hired someone to support you in all
No,
of this?
I'm handling my social media all by myself. So in fact, I've been
Okay.
asked this question so much. मुझसे बहुत लोगों ने पूछा कि अच्छा आपका सोशल मीडिया कौन हैंडल
Yeah.
करता है.
Because you're
But
doing so many things now. That's why.
exactly, it takes a
Yeah.
toll on me. Honestly, but I think now I feel ki people are more interested to see that what I'm doing in my daily life, how I
Hmm.
am as a person. Maybe they've come to the realization ki okay, she's a good makeup artist, but what else she does in
Hmm.
her daily
Hmm.
life, how I manage things and all. So
Hmm.
honestly, जो रोज की लाइफ में जो मैं करती हूँ एक्टिविटीज, आई कीप पोस्टिंग दैट. आई थिंक दैट इज मोर रियलिस्टिक, एंड तभी लोग आपसे ज्यादा
Yeah.
शायद कनेक्ट करते हैं.
तभी connect कर पाए. Even आप भी
करेक्ट.
connect कर पाओगे. You just could have
एग्जैक्टली.
good connection with them. Okay.
करेक्ट.
So,
करेक्ट.
how do you expand your customer base? Like, do you get it from social media or from your references?
Yes, I get a lot of business through social media.
Okay.
So that is another reason that I want to be like really, really consistent over there,
Hmm.
because the more
Now,
makeovers I
social media is
put.
just like a business platform. Even.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it's a big exposure. It's a beautiful
Yeah.
thing,
Hmm.
definitely. But having said that, उसके साथ आपके पास मतलब competition और ये सब कुछ भी बहुत आता है, because now everybody is on social media, everybody is using that platform. तो वो अपने
Definitely.
clients attract करना
Hmm.
और फिर उनको बनाए रखना अपने पेज पे is not that
Main
easy.
cheese. That is more
Yes,
important.
that is more important. So it's not that easy, but yes, I get a lot of clientage through social media. Plus, जो already मेरे clients हैं, it's like a word of mouth, goodwill. So उसके through भी I get a lot of work.
Okay, so Aditi, you are conducting a lot of things like makeup training and yoga training. So, how are you managing all of this during the lockdown period? Has social media helped you in this all of this aspect?
Yes, yes, yes. Social media played a huge aspect because
Yeah.
मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि आई एम इन लॉकडाउन एंड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग टू गो आउट, या मुझे लोगों से बात करने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा है, या
Mhm. Mhm.
आई एम डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड. आई फेल्ट ड्यूरिंग
More
लॉकडाउन.
connected.
Yes, I got connected globally because maybe लोगों के पास भी इतना
Hmm.
time था that they
Yeah.
could see what you're posting and things like that. And because I conducted a lot of online classes also, so through that I got to know that people join me from Australia, from Singapore, from US, from
That's
Canada,
nice.
from Saudi. So I was like, wow. So I got to know a lot of my like followers personally
Hmm.
also. And I honestly got to know that where I stand when it comes to social media. क्योंकि
Hmm.
कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बस आपके नंबर्स बढ़ रहे हैं पर आपको ऑनेस्टली पता नहीं चल पाता है कि कौन है, कहाँ से है.
Yes.
So during lockdown, I connected with them and I connected globally. So that was a
इवन
great.
आई थिंक लॉकडाउन में ये सब कुछ मोर कनेक्टेड हो गया एंड ज्यादा
Yeah,
फायदे वाला हो गया
ज़्यादा
अदर
फायदा.
देन so Aditi, you are multi-talented and you are involved with a lot of things, so how do you manage time to engage with your audience on social media profile?
So like I said, Komal, that time, I don't take out time specifically for my social media. So whatever I'm doing in my daily life. So
Hmm.
for example, I start my day with yoga. So I put
Hmm.
a lot of yoga videos, and it is really beautiful that I just started doing it because a lot of people used to ask me that, okay, how you maintain yourself and things like that. So randomly एक या दो videos मैंने डालने शुरू किए, and then I realized that a lot of girls and a lot of women started messaging me that they are
And
getting
asking me the
inspired.
questions.
Yes, they ask a lot of questions that how I started and how long it took me to do particular kind of asana and things like that. But they
Hmm.
also started telling me that after seeing my videos and seeing my consistency, they have also joined yoga classes and they have also got their routine into workout, fitness and yoga and
Right.
things. So I felt really good because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर मैं अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे अगर मैंने एक भी किसी ऐसे को इंस्पायर कर दिया है who has actually started taking care of herself and is taking
That
out
would be
time
so
for
worthwhile.
herself. Yes, so I was like, wow, this is really amazing. So a
Yeah.
lot of people tell me that I inspire them, but it's like a vice versa, because I get
Hmm.
such amazing motivating messages in DMs. So I think they all also inspire me to continue with the good work that I'm
Yes,
doing.
definitely. Huh.
Yeah. So start with my yoga videos, then whatever activities I'm doing in a day, if I have some makeup clients, if I'm doing any kind of videos, then I
Hmm.
also collaborate with a lot of brands and all, because like I'm a makeup influencer also. So a lot of brands send me their stuff and they ask me to try and to talk about it on their social media, on my
Hmm.
social media. So I do that also, and I'm very very consistent on my stories. So on my Instagram and my Facebook stories, I feel that I have very very good connection with my audience. So I
So
just
good.
take them through my day, and also my skincare, hair care, how to manage timings.
Everything.
During lockdown and pandemic, a lot of people also got connected through me because they told me that they feel very positive after seeing my content. So
Yes.
a lot of them actually seeked help, that how do you stay so positive all the time,
Hmm.
how you're pushing yourself through these tough times, because let's be honest, a lot of people are still going through so many things when we talk about lockdown, like
Hmm.
your financial problems,
Hmm.
jobs, personal issues. Yes, a lot of girls told me this also, that they are also trying to balance everything and stay calm and just being
Yes.
positive. So
That
I
is
don't.
important also. Hmm.
Exactly, yeah. So I don't plan anything. I just go with the flow and I just take them through
So,
my day.
concluding all these things, are you happy with your makeup artist career?
I'm very happy, but yes, I'm not saying that I'm 100% satisfied, because see, growth is one thing which we all want, no matter how much you've grown in
Yeah,
your life.
definitely. Yes, yes.
But you always want that little more. So, and I think
But
that's how it
if
should
I would
be.
compare with that airline industry job with this makeup industry, you're enjoying more makeup industry, I think.
I honestly I enjoyed a lot as a part of aviation also, because
Mm.
that is what I always wanted to do, and I sometimes miss that also, because उसमें क्या होता था
Okay.
that you're flying and you're traveling to a new place,
Yes.
so
Communicating with lots of other places,
lot of
people from other places.
exactly.
Yeah.
हाँ, so interaction वगैरह भी बहुत होता था लोगों के साथ. So I do
So,
miss that, but
mm,
I think आपकी stages आती हैं life में. So
yes,
I think I have done that. बहुत अपनी young age में party कर
that
ली,
was the
घूम
part.
लिया, enjoy कर
Right.
लिया. But now I'm definitely enjoying this.
That's a good. So,
So
what are your future plans with regards to makeup?
future plans are this only, that I just want to continue this, and probably I would just want to have a very big studio in future. So right now I do have a studio, but then not on a very very big
Hmm.
level, I would say, because I'm
Hmm.
more into freelancing. आजकल destination weddings और ये
Hmm.
सब कुछ इसका trend इतना ज़्यादा है
बहुत
that
ज़्यादा.
people
You have to
prefer.
travel.
Yes, yes. So brides they do want कि उनके जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं उनके साथ ट्रैवल करें, और जहाँ भी उनकी
Right.
शादी हो रही है वहाँ पे जाके they doll them up.
Mm-hmm.
So and I am also quite enjoying that, because once you have a studio, then it's a big, then you have a very routine job कि आप सुबह गए आपने स्टूडियो खोला, वहाँ पे आपके क्लाइंट्स आए, so then there's I feel कि
Hmm.
however आप वहाँ पे काम ज़्यादा कर सकते हो, because if you are at one roof, under one roof, then you can get more clients.
But
But
that
right now,
will not be enjoying, I think.
yes, yes. But right now, I'm enjoying being a freelancer.
Hmm.
So yeah, maybe in future, once I'll be tired of traveling and maybe going to different places, then probably I would like to have my own studio. So yeah, I would like to
Excellent.
do it on a very international level. So that is my future plan, but definitely in makeup and beauty industry only.
Excellent, excellent. So, I will wrap with the questions like, what would be your message to the aspiring makeup artist?
So, yes, that is actually a very, very good question, Komal. And I would really like to address a lot of young girls, a lot of young, boys and girls, I would say,
Hmm.
because I have a very mixed kind of following. मुझे बहुत सारे यंग लोग भी फॉलो करते हैं आई नो जो अपकमिंग बडिंग मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं या मेकअप
Mm-hmm.
एंथुजियास्ट्स हैं प्लस आई हैव लॉट ऑफ mothers, a lot of married women who are in their 30s, they are also following me. सो
Hmm.
यंगस्टर्स को तो मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि डू नॉट रश, you have to take things very easily, and don't never lose your passion for anything. So if you want to do something, then find out your passion. अगर आपको पेंटिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, if you want to be a speaker, अगर आपको बोलना अच्छा लगता है, you can be a speaker. आप फिटनेस में कुछ कर सकते हो, but find out that what is that one thing which you're really passionate about. Just don't
Right.
fall into a trap of social media कि अच्छा ये
Hmm.
अच्छा,
ये
because
अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ मेरे पास
लोग
ऐसे
किसी और
काफी
से ना वो
स्टूडेंट्स
पीयर
आए.
प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली
Exactly.
वो काफी
Hmm.
स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे खुद बोला है कि मैम हमें तो मेकअप इसलिए करना है क्योंकि इसमें अच्छा पैसा मिल जाता है. अरे ऐसा नहीं है, आपको इतनी इजीली अच्छा पैसा कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा.
कहीं
आपको उसके लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा,
हार्ड
और
वर्क करना
हार्ड वर्क
पड़ेगा.
आप तभी कर सकते हो जब आप बहुत पैशनेट हो, आप वो इंजॉय कर
Hmm.
रहे हो. सो इंजॉय वट एवर
Exactly.
यू डू. यस. सो एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट गेट इन टू दिस नंबर ट्रैप कि ये भी बहुत
Hmm.
स्टूडेंट्स ने जैसे मेरे से सीखा मेकअप.
Likes and comments in the
Exactly. So
number.
now the second question is, ma'am, how to get following on social media? Ma'am, how to increase numbers on social media? Trust me, it's not about numbers. I'm not saying that I have a very, very huge number, but whatever numbers I have, it's all authentic. It's all
Hmm.
organic, my followers.
Hmm.
And that
Hmm.
is why I'm getting business. आप सिर्फ numbers के
No,
लिए तो there's
definitely. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा करते हो वो नंबर्स अपने आप ही आएंगे. You don't need to.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. तो आप अच्छा तभी करोगे ना जब आपको उस चीज में सीरियसली पैशन है, मतलब यू आर वेरी
Hmm.
पैशनेट, यू वांट टू बी एक्सपेरिमेंटल, आप बोर नहीं हो रहे हो उस काम से. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल पुट मोर देन 100%, एंड देन यू विल ग्रो. जब तक आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, पैशनेटली कर रहे हो वो काम, और दिल से कर रहे हो, you will definitely grow, you will get followers, but have patience. आई फील आजकल के यंगस्टर्स में पेशेंस बिल्कुल नहीं है. um,
You are
so
teaching so many students, so you must be facing all this thing. And
एग्जैक्टली,
uh,
आई एम टेलिंग यू कोमल, वो सीधे ये पूछते हैं कि मैम नंबर्स कैसे बढ़, अरे नंबर्स बढ़ा, यू देयर फोकस शुड बी कि काम कैसे करना है, काम अच्छा कैसे
hmm,
करना है, हमें इम्प्रूव कैसे करना चाहिए. बट रादर देयर फोकस इज बिकॉज सी ऑनेस्टली whoever is on social, whoever is famous on social media,
hmm,
दूसरों को उनकी लाइफ बहुत ही ज्यादा सेलिब्रिटी टाइप्स लगती है, एंड दे
hmm.
आर अ सेलिब्रिटी ऑल्सो. आई एम नॉट, अगर आप एक
But they
पब्लिक
can't
फिगर
see
हो,
themselves. Hmm.
एग्जैक्टली, बट उसके पीछे कितना हार्ड वर्क है, कितनी एक
वो नहीं दिख पाए.
सेकेंड्स का रील वीडियो बनाने के लिए भी आप लिटरली पूरा दिन अपना
Yes,
लगाते हो. इट्स
yes,
नॉट इजी.
yes.
सो यू हैव
Yeah.
टू हैव पेशेंस एंड कंसिस्टेंसी, बहुत जरूरी है, वो आप रखो
Hmm.
एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल ग्रो. हैव पेशेंस एंड यू विल ग्रो. सो दिस इज my message to all the youngsters and makeup artists, budding makeup artists who are following me.
So good. That's so inspiring. Even it inspired me too.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Aditi, for having accepted our request and sharing your journey so far.
My pleasure.
And, and from the entire Netley family, we wish you all the very best for your future. Keep up the great job.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for having me, Komal. I really enjoyed, and I actually enjoy all these platforms because, like I said, I know right now not everybody is very happy with the way our life is moving ahead. But yes, I always want to tell people that have patience and have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, and definitely you will grow. Do not lose your interest and do not feel that oh ये क्या हो रहा है. Such students also जो मेरे पास आए हैं, उन्होंने सीखा है, but because एकदम से उन्हें बहुत अच्छा response नहीं मिला, so
हाँ.
they got very demotivated and they have just left it completely कि नहीं मैम हमसे तो नहीं हो रहा
नहीं
है.
हो रहा.
So consistency और patience बहुत जरूरी. So I really enjoy being on such platforms and talking about it. So yeah, thank you so much
It
for
has been an
having me.
absolute pleasure having you.
Thank you.
And guys, I'm sharing all the social media handles of Aditi. Make sure you follow her everywhere, especially on Instagram and YouTube.